So today we're going to talk about uncomfortable data, but what we really want to talk about is how data can be used by marketeers to create a better customer experience, and how the use of data has changed from just leveraging a customer profile to leveraging the context and the behavioral knowledge that you all have somewhere buried in your amounts of data within your systems about your clients.
The data session today was fantastic. It was really interesting to learn about other people's challenges that they're facing with data and how they're using data.
I work for Telco. We've got more data than I can possibly tell you about, or probably should.
I really like the concept. It was especially because it's a small group discussing about a specific topic. Yes, it challenged you a bit on how to do things better, especially in the B2B environment, also how to use a bit of big data.
Everybody sees this huge opportunity in terms of improving their customer experience and improving also their ROI in terms of their marketing activities and really understanding their clients by applying data.
So today's session has given me more confidence to challenge the data and more confidence to look more widely as to where the data can come from and target our consumers in a better way.
I think it's you've mentioned an important point, which is a wealth of data that's out there that we're still not tapping into. And one of the good topics that came across was, how can we make predictable modeling in the future, and how can that help us really reach our customers in a more effective and efficient way, and at the same time eliminate wastage.
One of our key areas of the business, every consumer from every country, whether it's a domestic, whether it's an international, from what countries, we are really driving our data. We're looking at where consumers are coming from, where they're spending, what their spending habits are, and also, it's really helping us segment our products that we provide out to our customer banks as well.
I think for us at the moment, we're using data a lot in a reactive way, I would say. We're using it to track and to measure what we have done, and less to predict what we might do and how we might connect with people in the future. And I would like to see how we, even in the consumer world, may be able to get into that more predictive and relationship-based way of using data.
I think data is really the future, and I think brands and marketers need to really understand how to use the data and to incorporate it into their campaigns moving forward, especially how to use data in real-time scenarios and how that can affect purchasing decisions of consumers.